Greetings to all the parents and students from IMAS India Abacus. This tutorial will guide you how to log in and solve paper for online visual competition 2024, which is on the 8th of December. So, without further ado, let's get started. You will be needing two devices for online competition. First, we will check how to solve paper if the child is comfortable with mobile phone. It can be either two mobile devices or one laptop and one mobile, or one mobile and one tablet or iPad. To solve the paper with phone, you have to log in either with laptop or tablet. Log in with the competition ID that you must have received via WhatsApp from IMAS India. If you still have not received, you can contact on the number mentioned in display. To log in via laptop, go to Chrome browser, type in the top search bar imas.easynext.in. You will see the dashboard as shown besides. On the top right corner in the orange color bar, you will see the login button. The moment you log in, your screen will change like this. Here you have to input your login credentials, that is, the username and password that you have received on WhatsApp. Now, an important note here. Top login title should be student or parent login and not admin login. Please note. Once you successfully log in, on the left side of the panel, you have to click on the fifth option, that is, online class, which will be with the Wi-Fi icon. After clicking on the online class, the screen will pop on the right side. Title will be 8th December 2024 Online Visual Competition. You will be able to see your details like batch and room number with the time. Towards the end, on the right side, you must click on the option Join Class. You will be redirected inside the competition classroom. With mobile phone, for solving the online paper, you have to log in from JW, a family of learning application only, and not Google Chrome browser to avoid any technical glitches while solving the paper. Once you put your competition ID in the phone, your dashboard will look something like this as shown in the picture. The moment you log in with mobile phone, this is how the child should be sitting in position for the online competition. If the child will use Abacus during the competition, then the Abacus and mobile phone should be clearly visible during the entire competition. And remember to keep the mic on during the competition. The examiner in your classroom will be reading all the instructions before the examination. Listen to all the points carefully. Once the examiner gives command to click on online exam and start the paper, then only click on online exam and click on start exam button as highlighted under paper name. Now here, a very important note for parents. Do not talk in the background or distract the child when he or she starts solving the paper for 8 minutes. Here comes the part 2 of the tutorial. That is, for those students who will be solving the paper from laptop. The instructions are the same to log in laptop as you all saw earlier in part 1. In Chrome browser, type imas.easynext.in and click on Login on the right side. Login dashboard will appear and input competition ID credentials as received. Now here, there is a slight change. Students who will be solving the paper from laptop have to click on the sixth option, that is online exam with the Wi-Fi icon. The moment you click on online exam, right side screen will pop up. You will see the paper under the batch title and date, that is 8th of December Visual Competition 2024 paper, with group title and category of your child. You have to go on the extreme right side and click on the I option to see the start button. Once the examiner gives you the command to start exam, then you have to click on start button and attempt your paper. Now we are at the end of the tutorial. I hope I have covered all the points and your doubts must have been cleared. The most crucial advice to all the students and especially parents: you have practiced a lot before the competition to give your best shot. So kindly do not panic at all and get nervous during instructions before the exam. This is your chance. Gather all your might and compete the best to conquer over all your fears and finally the trophy. Thank you everyone for your patience. Remember, 8th December, Sunday, is all about you. Best wishes, IMAS India.